Hello everybody, we're going to build a dragon out of Play-Doh and we're going to color it with these markers. We're going to open it now. That's a lot of Play-Doh. Make it. So we're going to make it like a circle, guys. We have to make it look like the shape, like tiny. Is that it? Okay. We still have to make it like that. It looks like Charizard. That's a long scale. Together right now. Can we make the nose? We have to get a little bit. Daddy, first step we're supposed to have like a little circles on it so he looks like it. I just did it already. I'm going to make an arm like this. I forgot that one. Wrong. I think I'm going to try again. So these look beautiful at the dragon. That kind of looks like a meat way. Daddy dude looks really funny at it. So just color it, and I'm going to choose this one. But I have to wait till it's dry first. But I'm going to make different colors so I can get each one I like. So I'm going to do purple horns, everybody. That's right over here. everybody, this is the horns, what it looks like. We're going to draw, and that's it. Like it, subscribe. So guys, I think this is going to be really big. So that's the eyes at it, okay? We're going to draw this. What he has a. This is really beautiful. Yeah, put like a red because red breathing dragon. Because these different fire types. This looks like Charizard. I'm going to draw it like a line. Oh, that's okay, wait, let's just make a hole on it. But that's okay. Everyone, So this dragon looks pretty beautiful. You should have to do this. So you should watch this and then do it and then look at it. Is it the same? Everybody, the dragon's